Here I've got HTC Desire 19 Plus, and let me show you how to reset network settings on the following device. So at first you have to open the settings, then find and select System, it's the very last option, and then click on Reset Options. Here the first tab is Reset Wi-Fi, Mobile Data and Bluetooth, so if you really want to do it, just click on it, and then confirm it by tapping on Reset Settings. Now you have to confirm it again because this operation cannot be undone, so you have to be 100% sure that you want to perform this reset, and if you do, just click on Reset Settings. Just give it a couple of seconds, and that's it. As you can see, network settings have been reset. You've just did it, congrats! Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.